What's up, your voice community? Today we're going to be doing something a little special today. This is Andy. Say hello, Andy. Exactly. And we got Andy a gift today. Andy, ironically, we got him the new 6th generation iPad. You digging it, Andy? You'll learn. Be easy, man. Be easy. Good boy. Let's do it. Sweet goodness, they wanted to make sure nobody ever got in here. Get the off the. There we go. Big enough screen, Andy? You can rock with it? Right on. Hang out. That is a big screen right there, boy. 32 gigs. Look at that. Wow. Bigger than you, buddy. Yep, you chill right there. Bigger than you. Alright, so we have that. We have the how-to and all that good stuff. Sleep and wake and whatever. There are YouTube channels to tell you how to break that down, Barney style. Alright, charger. And the charger. And that's it. So here we go. Pretty basic, pretty Barney style. Ta-da! Introducing 6th generation Apple iPad. Let's get it going. Alright, my boy Andy, you ready to get this going? I will take that as a yes. So this is actually lighter than that iPad Pro. It works with the Apple Pen, which is a fantastic nifty thing. Here we have the chargers. It has one port right down here. Plastic gone. All right. There we go, the charging port all set. And obviously this USB connection connects to this side. If we rip these stickers off, I'll tell you what, Apple does a flipping good job securing their things. Ah, my goodness. There we go. Secure, pop, plug, you're good to go. The power button is up top, which we're going to use the power on right now. There's that apple. You want to take a bite, buddy? Let's watch the Apple magic happen.
I don't know how long this is going to take.
Right? Hello. I don't know what language that is. Bonjour in French. Fantastic. Yep.
Good luck.
Uh-huh. That. Okay. That's definitely Asian. Chinese, I believe. And hello, once again. Here is the setup. The Bluetooth comes on automatically, so it's already engaged in Bluetooth. The setup. We go to English because I do my best to speak English. We are in North America, aka the United States. Boom. Alright, so we're at the quick start screen. I just pressed the volume inadvertently. Here's the great part about it. If you have an iPhone, you can just bring the iPhone close to this iPad and it will sign in to your iCloud account. Phenomenal. That's technology, baby. Alright, ladies and gents, so far Andy, hi, he's digging the iPad. So this is David and I'm going to sign off simply because I'm going to tag in my partner Orain, and Orain is going to break down what an actual iPad is used for those that may not know. You ready to have some fun? Orain, take over, brother.
Tagged in. My name is Orain, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of everything you can use the iPad for. It's going to be really simple, really fast. Let's go. So, the first thing you can actually use it for, you can basically use this to do everything you do on your cell phone, just on a larger screen. Check your emails, check your text messages. If you link your iPhone account, you can actually get text messages sent directly to the iPad. So it's basically an iPhone, just with a larger screen. YouTube videos look much better on the screen. The audio quality is a little bit better than any of the iPhones that you're going to have. It's not a laptop, it's a tablet. So make sure you're using it for tablet functions and you should be all set.
Time out. So, big man, you're trying to tell me you can make phone calls with this bad boy?
You can actually link your phone to it and make phone calls with it.
That's hot. What do you think, Andy? I think Andy likes it.
I think he does too.
Good to go.
All right?
All right.
So we're going to give you a full breakdown of the iPad, comparing it to the iPad Pro and also the iPad Mini.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll also just give you a quick review on the iPad itself after we've used it for a couple of days. So make sure you come back and check those videos out.
That's right.
All right, guys. So this has been our unboxing of Apple's latest iPad. Always remember, you can share your voice in the comments down below if you're planning on getting it. If you already have it, it helps out the community. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We're trying to build a community of informed users. Remember, your voice matters.
One last look at the iPad. Nice. Andy, you digging it? You'll get the hang of it, kid. Peace.